What if the power went out right now? Could you still feed your family a real dinner? This creamy Chipotle chicken pasta is bold, smoky, and 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no panic, no sad emergency food buckets. I call it Grid Down Gourmet. Every recipe I make works for busy weeknights and emergencies. And dinner tonight. Backup food tomorrow, that's a 2-for-1. This emergency food is not beans and rice, and it's not your weird uncle's bunker food. This tastes like something you actually love to eat and your kids will go crazy for. And the wild part, you can buy all these ingredients. Next time you're at the grocery store, store them properly and they will be just as delicious a year later or tonight. I'm revolutionizing the prepper food community and it's delicious every single day. So keep watching. I'll show you how to make this creamy, smoky, apocalypse-proof Chipotle chicken pasta step by step. By the way, if you're new here, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Grid Down Gourmet rebel, the I hate to cook master, turning pantry ingredients into real meals. I've hacked the system. No more hours in the kitchen. No more dinner stress. Everything you need is already in your pantry, or will soon be. And I'll show you how to turn it into delicious meals your family loves. Delicious, fast, and cheap. Follow me, and I'll make sure you never stress about another meal again, even when the grid goes down. Now, I've been dreaming about this creamy chicken chipotle pasta for a while now, so let's do it. Here's everything that you're gonna need. Penne pasta, canned chicken, cream of chicken, diced tomatoes, canned corn, diced green chilies, dehydrated onions, chili powder, paprika, cumin, garlic, dehydrated green onions, and water. In a large pot, combine noodles, dehydrated onions, and your water, and boil the noodles. Boil for about 10 to 15 minutes till the noodles are cooked and all the water has been absorbed. Next, add your cream of chicken, drained can of chicken, diced chilies, can of tomatoes, not drained, drained can of corns, chili powder, paprika, cumin, and garlic powder. Stir well over medium heat for about 5 to 10 more minutes till all your ingredients are heated and warmed thoroughly. The result, creamy, smoky Chipotle chicken pasta your family will crush on a random Tuesday or when the power goes out. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending chore, because it is, it's time to break out of dinner jail and get on the Grid Down Gourmet train with me. So follow me for more fast, shelf-stable meals that actually taste amazing, and go to loadedpotato.org for recipes, meal plans, and easy pantry dinners. While you're there, use our auto grocery calculator. Just pick your favorite meals and we'll build your grocery list all for you. You can print it, send it to Walmart or Amazon Fresh, dinner is done. The website is totally free. No stress, no guesswork, so you never have to worry about another meal again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.